My glass is still half full, though my heart's half empty. My castle's falling down after standing for centuries. My faith is still strong, as love has not been forgotten. I've seen many trees cut down, yet the fruit has not turned rotten. My smile I wear is real, and my arms are still open. I've revealed to you how I feel, and even my difficulties coping. In this ever-changing world, with you not being in it, we both know how hard it can be to start over at the beginning. Yet we must carry on without malice or regret, without shame or self-pity. Must be strong, picking ourselves up. Whenever we get stuck, we start stumbling along. For when it comes to that, obstacles there can be many. When I say ability to handle any and all adversity, to be the candle on the darkest night, just hold my hand and trust in me, and I would try my best to guide you towards the light, and the battle charge if there comes a time when we must fight.